Want to lower your energy bills without a full-blown remodel? Here's how to make your home more efficient on a real budget. New Hampshire weather doesn't mess around. Caulking, weather stripping, and attic insulation go a long way toward keeping the cold and costs out. If your appliances are over 10 years old, they're likely wasting energy. Go with Energy Star rated models, swap in LEDs, and install a smart thermostat. Cutting water use saves energy too. Low-flow shower heads, full laundry loads, and fixing leaks are small wins that add up fast. Want a greener yard and a cooler house? Try planting shade trees using mulch and going native with your plants. Sometimes it's just about habits, turning off lights, hanging laundry to dry, and adjusting the thermostat a few degrees. These changes don't just save money, they raise your home's value. Especially in places like Keene, energy-efficient homes sell faster. Need a hand? At NH Real Estate Partners, we help homeowners plan smart updates that actually pay off before you list or after. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.